Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to integrate Clickfunnels with Webinarjam. This is a great way to connect your funnels with live or automated webinars so we can capture leads and boost conversions. Let's get started. On the Clickfunnels dashboard, all we need to do is click on Apps in the Add-ons section. We can find it on the left side of the dashboard. From there, we just need to click on Integrations and Tools. Next, we will select the Zapier tool to connect Clickfunnels with Webinarjam and set up the workflow. Once we are here, we simply type Webinarjam. The option will appear right here under Webinarjam. This allows us to create or update funnel contacts whenever new registrations happen in Webinarjam. We will use this workflow to get everything connected. Zapier will then ask us to log in with our credentials. We select our account and click Continue. From here, Zapier will build the workflow for us automatically. The workflow is now running. We just need to wait a moment. Log into Clickfunnels to complete the integration. We will log into Clickfunnels and continue with funnels. Once logged in, we just need to authorize the connection. As we can see, it is now working. The workflow is being created and the integration is in progress. And there we go. It is now set up. The last thing we need is a Webinarjam account. Keep in mind that Webinarjam is not free, so a paid account is required to complete this step. Once we have an account, all we need to do is connect and log in to Webinarjam, and Zapier will handle the rest. And that is how we integrate Clickfunnels with Webinarjam. With this setup, we can easily connect our funnels to webinars and get better results from our marketing.